Okay, good deal. So we should have something like this. This is where we should have ended up at. Okay. Um, we are in the wrong section. Let me go back up. I was reading. And we should have done, we should have no errors. Okay. No errors down here. Okay. Everything should be fine. We'll say clear. Last command was make install. Okay. And it says here, caution, at this point it's imperative to stop and ensure the basic functioning of the toolchain is working properly. Okay, we have to perform the sanity check here. So let's say echo main to $, or no, dummy.c. Okay, go that into dummy.c. We have to say LFS underscore target dash GCC dummy.c. Okay, you should not have gotten any output on that. I have had fails where it got output on that and it says the arrows could not link blah blah blah, so you shouldn't have any output on that. And we have to say readelf L, that's an L, A dot out, and we want to grep for tools. Okay, good deal. This is what you should get. Okay, something like this. So right now this is one of many checks that we have to perform like this, and each one is very vital, and at any time those checks could fail for unknown reasons, well, unknown to me anyway, and that indicates a serious problem. But we're okay, we have good output here. Now also too, it says this is the output in the book. Okay, so this is for a 32-bit, I do believe. Okay, since I'm running a 64, that's what I get. Okay, so if you got that and you're running 32-bit, you're fine. So let's say Control A, Control up, Control A, Control tab, I meant to say. And the test is done. We can remove verbose dummy.c, a.out, and we can say on to bin utils 5.8. So let's go up. We're going to remove recursive verbose gcc or glibc, glibc build, glibc 217. Okay. Should not take long at all. Done. You'll notice the recursive and verbose option, not recursive and verbose, but the verbose option, it takes a significant amount of time to remove, but I always like to see my stuff go away. Problem is with that, many other people don't, so I have to hide that. Let's say tar xvf bin utils. We're going to do bin utils pass 2, and let me get rid of that b. Oh, dot tar bz. Okay, and bin utils. You can notice here the configure script on this one is significantly smaller. Okay, that's a plus. And it's only 1.1 SBU, so that's about 8 minutes for me. So there's only a few nail biters like this in the very beginning. And after this it calms down a little bit, then it picks up, so we're okay. CD into bin utils, and we want to say bin utils blah blah blah. We have to make our build directory, so we'll say make directory verbose, back up, bin utils, call it build, and let's CD up into bin utils dash build. Okay. Alright, so now let's say cc equals $LFS underscore target dash GCC. Okay. And then we'll say AR equals $LFS underscore target dash AR. And then we want to say ran lib equals $ LFS underscore target dash ranlib. Okay, it's all cross compiler syntax there. Let's check that out. CC LFS target GCC ranlib. Okay, and then we say bin utils 2321 or 2.23.2.23.1 configure prefix equals tools, disable NLS with lib path is going to equal tools lib. Okay, prefix tools. Okay, good deal. And we can say after that make, and we can run a make install too with it. So we'll say make install. Okay. Now you can't make install. Don't get into that don't recognize that pattern. Okay. Sometimes that's not the case, but it's always good to read ahead a little bit and see if you can fit that in there. That way you can say make. You don't have to come back and say make install. You can just string them both together and that'll work. Alright, so this is a shorter one. This is going to take a few minutes to wrap up, and we'll come back and we'll have to do make C LD clean. I'll catch you in the next one.